Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act now. Power off the Xbox Series S, unplug it, and wait 5 minutes so heat dissipates and capacitors settle. Once done, move the console to a hard, flat surface and clear at least 10 cm around vents so airflow improves. Use a soft brush or short canned air bursts to dislodge surface dust. Avoid aggressive or prolonged blasts. These quick moves reduce immediate thermal load and buy you time to perform deeper cleaning and ventilation checks. Now focus on the core fixes. Carefully clean internal dust by using low-suction vacuum and a soft brush at vents. Do not force parts or touch circuitry. Make sure the room airflow is good. Position a small fan to move air across the console or rearrange furniture that blocks circulation. If you have experience, check the fan and thermal paste. Replacing paste can lower temps significantly, otherwise plan professional service. These steps tackle trapped heat and restore consistent cooling performance over time. Finish by changing settings and planning maintenance. Switch to energy-saving power mode or limit long sessions with timed breaks so components cool between uses. Make sure the console firmware is current because updates can improve fan behavior and thermal management. Check settings, system, updates. If after cleaning and settings changes, the console still overheats, you should contact Microsoft support or an authorized repair service. They can diagnose failed fans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.